Hi, I downloaded the image. I didn't draw all those interior walls, just the exterior ones. See, with nothing on it, that's all it looks like right now. Okay, so I don't know what ceiling heights you're supposed to have or the pitches you're supposed to have. But I'm just going to use my default here. Go to build roofs. I put no information into the walls. I haven't changed any ceiling heights of anywhere. And we'll build the roof planes. Okay, now I've got a camera set up already. That's pretty close to your image. And it didn't even take me 5 minutes. It took me longer to draw the geometry of your floor plan than it did to create the roof. Now, whether or not that's what you're looking for, I know this is a little bit different from your image, but there's some information missing that you haven't shared with us, that anybody who would help you. But I just wanted to point this out. That's what I've been talking about. The program creates hip roofs by default if you don't tell it anything. This program does exactly what it's supposed to do, provided it's delivered the exact information that adds up to the design you're trying to emulate. Okay, hope this helps you. All right. If it doesn't, well, try to have a good day. Thank you.